Let's do this again, shall we? Alright, let's go.
This is the IClever DK03 keyboard. So this is the keyboard that I have been using for some months. It comes in the silver gray black color. With this keyboard you get keyboard cover, a USB dongle, micro USB cable, and a user manual, which is missing at the moment because I don't know where it is. But who read user manuals anyway, huh? I mean, I don't. Well, it depends. Yeah, it depends on what the situation is. Anyway, so this keyboard is made up of stainless steel and ABS. I didn't say HABs. I mean acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, which is a common thermoplastic polymer typically used for injection molding applications. So it is popular used in plastic because of these properties: impact resistance, structural strength and stiffness, chemical resistance, excellent iron low temperature performance, great electrical insulation properties, easy to paint and glue. Alright, so the keys has this matte black finish which helps the keyboard looking fresh even after a lot of use. It is said that the keys are able to withstand 30,000 key presses. Since we are talking about the keys, this keyboard features a Swiss stitched keys design which makes typing easier and more silent. I got to say, this is a great feature because sometimes you don't want to disturb anyone really, and this is great for the office space. Have a listen to the sound. The keyboard feels solid and is lightweight, which comes in at 0.5 pounds. It is thin as well. As you can see, it is easy to carry around. It is a full-size keyboard with a standard layout that has convenient key shortcuts from your F1 to your F12, so you can easily play, pause, skip your music, adjust your brightness, and as soon as you put on the keyboard, pressing the FN plus Q for Mac or the FN plus W for Windows, it will map your keys and give you access to the shortcuts. Move on to the battery life. This is a wireless keyboard. You see, it takes 2 hours for full charge and it gives you 90 days of use, which is really a long time. I got to say I already charged this keyboard, and so that's great again, and after 30 minutes of not using it, it goes on standby to save power. It has indicator lights to give you information about the keyboard, if the caps lock is on, which connection it is using, and if it's charging. Being a wireless keyboard, it uses a 2.4 GHz dongle for connection and has 2 Bluetooth 4.2, and this has a signal range of 26 feet. So you can also connect up to 3 devices at the same time, and this is compatible with all major operating systems: Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, Android and iOS. To connect using the Bluetooth, simply hold down on the Bluetooth button until it starts flashing. Alright, and it is to connect like that. Pressing the function plus F6 combination on the keyboard, you can check the battery life. The indicator light flashes once, twice, 3 and 4 times to indicate that the power is less than 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. So mine is like giving me like 3 flashes at the moment, so it's around 75%. Alright, did I mention the price? So the last time I checked the price, it was at $31.99. Also, the keyboard comes in different colors, and there is also this keyboard mouse combination. One thing with this keyboard I got to say is with the lag. You see, when connecting, it has a 1 second lag, so you have to look out for that. It is a very nice keyboard still, and it indeed great for the budget. What would also be great if it was backlit, but I mean, it's okay. The link will also be in the description down below, so you can check it out. And also enjoy your day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.